Father, why do some car enthusiasts get so upset when they see a great build, but then find out it's an automatic? Aren't automatics faster anyway?
Boyna galava Stewie. Well, yeah, a lot of modern automatic transmissions actually shift faster than people can with a manual. But the dislike for automatics goes way back. In the 80s and 90s, automatics were mostly found in luxury cars because they made driving easier and everyone wanted that luxury. But back then, automatics were slow and took a long time to change gears. That's why enthusiasts didn't want them in performance cars. Manuals were just quicker. Things have changed now, though. Many modern automatics shift faster than a manual. But one thing hasn't changed: the feeling. With a manual, you're physically connected to the car. You've got 3 pedals and a shifter to manage with the perfect timing, speed, and revs. Automatics don't give you that same connection because they do all the work for you.
So which one should I choose?
It really depends on what you're looking for in a car. If you spend a lot of time in bumper-to-bumper city traffic, an automatic might be more convenient. But it's not always the best choice. Personally, I think everyone's first car should be a manual, no matter where you live. Learning to drive a manual teaches you a lot about how a car feels and works. And once you've mastered that, switching to an automatic is easy. The skills you'll gain are worth more than the initial struggle. If it's a project or weekend car, then you can pick whichever transmission you want without worrying about what others think. If you don't care about being a fraction of a second slower and just want to enjoy the mechanical feel of driving, go for a manual. But you can still have a lot of fun in an automatic transmission. We're not in the 80s anymore. But consider that an automatic is more costly and requires more maintenance. Guys, let me know in the comments, which side are you on? Automatic or manual? I still can't believe most people watching aren't following. You get daily educational content for free.